Welcome to Wheels of Elegance. Today, we are diving into one of the most jaw-dropping and ambitious creations in the automotive and luxury travel world, the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome. Known for pushing boundaries in design, performance, and innovation, Lamborghini has stunned the world once again by blending the ferocious spirit of a supercar with the comfort and opulence of a motorhome. This isn't just a vehicle. It's a rolling masterpiece designed for those who demand both adrenaline and unmatched luxury on the open road. Starting with the exterior, the Lamborghini Motorhome immediately commands attention with its aggressive, yet aerodynamic design. At first glance, it's impossible to ignore the sharp lines and bold stance that carry Lamborghini's signature DNA. The front fascia borrows inspiration from models like the Aventador and Revoto, with angular LED headlights, massive air intakes, and a sculpted hood that screams performance. The body is crafted from lightweight carbon fiber reinforced with aluminum, giving it both strength and agility despite its larger frame. Side profiles are accentuated with sharp cuts, futuristic panels, and retractable side mirrors that tuck in for aerodynamic efficiency. The rear is equally striking, showcasing a bold taillight design that stretches across the back, paired with an active rear spoiler and quad exhausts that make a statement. Standing tall yet sleek, it rolls on massive 24-in alloy wheels, wrapped in performance tires, ensuring stability. Whether cruising highways or pulling into luxury resorts, Lamborghini has managed to create a motorhome that doesn't just look like a supercar-inspired design. It feels like one in every detail. Moving inside, the interior of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome is nothing short of breathtaking. Step through the electronically operated gull-wing-style entry door, and you're welcomed into an environment that perfectly blends futuristic technology with handcrafted Italian luxury. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara, fine leather, and carbon fiber with customizable trims to suit individual tastes. The driver's cockpit feels exactly like a Lamborghini supercar, featuring a flat-bottom steering wheel, a fully digital customizable display, and a fighter jet-inspired control panel. However, what truly sets this motorhome apart is the living space behind the cockpit. Lamborghini has designed a modular interior that transforms with ease. You'll find a lounge area with plush reclining seats, a state-of-the-art entertainment system, and ambient lighting that adapts to your mood. The kitchen space is compact yet luxurious. Fitted with high-end appliances, carbon fiber countertops, and hidden storage compartments, the bedroom offers a queen-sized retractable bed with memory foam mattress, panoramic skylight views, and noise-canceling insulation for peaceful rest. The bathroom doesn't compromise either. It's finished with marble touches, rainfall shower, and Lamborghini's signature design cues throughout. Every inch screams exclusivity and comfort, making it one of the most luxurious mobile living experiences ever created. When it comes to performance, Lamborghini ensures the motorhome lives up to its legendary name. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the body, you'll find a hybrid V12 powertrain combined with advanced electric motors, delivering a mind-bending 950 horsepower. Despite its size, this motorhome can accelerate from 0 to 60 km in just under 4.8 seconds, an unheard-of figure in this segment. The all-wheel drive system paired with adaptive suspension ensures a smooth and confident ride. Whether you're on highways or winding mountain routes, advanced driving modes allow the motorhome to switch between performance-oriented dynamics and energy-efficient cruising. Lamborghini has also included regenerative braking and a large battery pack that provides up to 100 meters of electron-only driving, ideal for eco-conscious owners. Handling is surprisingly nimble for a vehicle of its size, thanks to four-wheel steering and active aerodynamics that adjust in real time. Driving this motorhome isn't just about reaching your destination. It's about enjoying every mile like you're behind the wheel of a supercar. Finally, the pricing. Lamborghini has positioned the 2026 Motorhome as the ultimate expression of performance luxury travel, and its price tag reflects that. Starting at around $2.5 million, it caters to an elite group of enthusiasts who want the thrill of Lamborghini, with the convenience of a mobile home. Of course, customization options can take that figure even higher, as buyers can personalize everything from interior themes to performance packages. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a lifestyle statement, designed for those who settle for nothing but the best. That wraps up our detailed review of the 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, a bold fusion of power, design, and luxury that redefines what a motorhome can be. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more incredible automotive content right here on Wheels of Elegance.